Hi friends, my name is Achut and I'm from Isaac. So today in this class we will learn essential computer shortcut keys. So this video is especially made for my friend Venkatesh. So as per my friend's request, I'm making this video. So let's get into the video. So essential computer shortcut keys. Uh, first we have first we have to look into the basic navigation. So what Control plus A will do? It will select all items in a document or a window. For example, if we click Control A, so it will select all the content in my screen, right? So will select all the content in my screen. And what Control plus C will do? Copy the selected item. For example, if I selected this, so this is a if I double click on this, then it will be selected. Or otherwise, we can use Control A also as the definition tells us. Control A will select all the items in the document, but we want only one line. So that's why in the mouse we have to click the right click. We have to click the right click button two times, then two to three times, then the whole sentence will be selected. So then few press Control C and come downside and press Control C. Then this is copied item. See, I have copied. So I have selected this content and I have copied this content by using Control plus C and I am pasting here. So I am pasting here. So this is a copy. So how I am pasting here? You have like you got some doubt, right? So by using this Control V, Control V, Control V is the copied item. So I copied this content by using Control plus C, and I have pasted the selected item with by using Control plus V. And what is Control plus C? X. Control plus X will do cut the selected item. So what Control plus X will do? Cut the selected item. So Control plus X will cut the selected item and it will also copy it. For example, for this thing, I'm pressing Control plus X. So it is cut. It is cut the selected item. So I'm again doing Control plus X. So it is selected at the Control plus X and it is deleted. But it will copy. But it will copy. So if you want to paste the copied thing, what command we have to use? As we know, Control plus V to paste the copied item. So press Control V. See, it came. So Control plus X will do, it will do copy and it will cut the selected item. So I hope you understand. So if you don't understand, please comment in the chat. And Control plus X. So Control plus X will do undo and action. So Control plus Z will do undo and action. So for example, if I delete this, I want the action, the spelling action should come back. So what should I do? We have to press Control Z. So whatever the deleted item, if we want, if we want it to took it again back, then we will use Control plus Z. And so Control plus Y. So Control plus Y, redo an action, redo an action. So Control plus Y, redo an action. For example, so we first of all for example we deleted that action spelling, and if we want that action back, what we have to use Control plus Z, then it will come. So if we want to delete this action again, I want the action again should be deleted. And what I'm saying is I want the previous action. So whatever I deleted the action and I want that action back. I have used the Ctrl plus Z, and I want the action is should be like the action should be deleted. Action should be deleted, and it will come to the previous action. So I hope you understand. For example, if you press Y, it come to the previous action. I hope you understand. If you press Z, it will come the action. And if you want your previous action, so whatever the recently you have performed the action, that action you want, press Ctrl F. That is redo an action. That's it. And what is Ctrl plus F? Ctrl plus F will find an item in a document. For example, if I press Ctrl F, see here, I got some form here. So in that I want to find an item. So for example, I want to find PC. I want to find PC. I want to find PC. For example, if I click PC, see here, I have found it. So I have found it. If I want to find desktop, if I want to find desktop, desktop, desktop. So I have find the desktop. So I hope you understand. So what Control plus F will do. These are the basic navigation commands. So if you have any doubt in basic navigation command, please comment in the chat. I will help you out. So if you have any doubt, please comment in the chat. So don't put your doubt inside. Just comment it. And next one is window management. So Alt tab. So Alt tab will do switch between open apps. For example, if you do Alt tab, see here, I'm using so many tabs here. So Alt tab, if you want to go to this screen, you can go Alexa. So we can go to the Internet Download Manager. You can go there. So if you want to come to the come to the come to the previous one, you can come to switch between two different tabs. You can use Alt plus tab. See, I'm doing Alt plus tab. So these are the things. So Alt plus F4 close the active item or exit the active app. So this application will be closed if I perform. For example, if I open this document. So if I want to do Alt plus F4, close the active item or exit the active app. So Alt plus F4. So if you use Alt plus F4, the app will be closed. I hope you understand. I'm opening again. And if I want to close this window, press Alt F4, that's it. It will be closed. And Windows D, display and hide the desktop. Display and hide the desktop. For example, if I do Windows D, see, we come to the Windows. It will hide the content. Like I have used the Visual Studio, right? It is closed. It is closed. So what Windows D will do? Display and hide the desktop. Display and hide the desktop. And Windows L. So if you want to lock your PC, so you can do Windows L. So I hope you understand. So what is Windows L and all this thing. So and next one is text editing. Text editing. Next one is text editing. So if you want to hold this thing, then you have to put Control V. So here it's not happening. For example, if I copy this thing and if I use this thing here and if I press Control V, also it's not happening. Just open MS Word. So if I open this thing, MS Word is not working. So what is Control B? It's like a bold thing. So if you want this content in the bold format, then it will be bold. Then it will be bold. Like it, in the bigger format, it will come. In the bigger format, it will come. So that the apps I have. So we can use, I think we can use Notepad. It's not happening. So if you uh, so Control B will be bold selected text. That's it, friends. So it's a simple thing. So Control plus I italicize the selected text, which means it will do the selected text in the format like in a style format like the not in the normal thing. It will style is in the another way. Style it like the words will be in the stylish way. The words will be in the stylish way. So what Control plus I will do? The words will be in the stylish way. So what Control plus V will do? It will bold, like it will the content, whatever the bold B is there, right? So uh, it will be in the bigger format. That's it. It will be in the bigger format. So what Control plus U, Control plus, for example, if I press Control I, Control I. So here it's not coming. So nothing, friends. Control I plus Control plus what I will do. Silence the content. And Control plus U will do the underline text. So underline means a line come under this text. That's it. Line will come under this text. A simple line will come here. So under the underline, a line will come like this. So that's what Control plus U. That's what I'm doing. So it's not coming. And so these are the text editing. That's it. These are text editing. Control plus V will hold the selected content. Control plus I will be silence the content, and Control plus U will give the underline to the selected content. And web browsing. Control plus T. Open new tab. So open new tab. Open, for example, to open Chrome. So Control plus T. It will open new tab. See, the new tab is open. So the new tab is open. The new tab is open. And Control plus W. So Control plus W will close the current window. Will close the current window. So Control plus T will open the new tab, and Control plus W will close the current tab. So I hope you understand. And Control plus R. So Control plus R will refresh the current web page. So what Control plus T will do? Will open the new tab. Control plus W will close the new current tab, and Control plus R will do refresh, and Control plus D will do bookmark. So if you want to add any bookmark, you can add it. So these are the web browser. So system functions. F1. If you do F1, will open the help. Open help. F2, rename the selected content. Rename the selected content. For example, I have documents. I have downloads. So if I rename, so if I do rename, have to rename the selected item. F2 will do select2. If I do F2, so see here I can replace the name with, for example, Realme files. So to rename, the content, we can use the F2 key. So F5 will refresh the active window. F5 will refresh the active window. So, and F10 activate the menu bar in the active web. F10 will activate the menu bar in the active web. You can perform this rule F and F4, F10, so that you can understand the keys. So please perform these two shortcut keys and please comment it what is happening, so that I can know that you are listening. Okay, so that I can know that you are listening to the class. So these are the basic commands. So what are the basic commands? Basic navigation commands, window management, text editing, web browsing, and system functions. So these are the essential component shortcut keys that every professional should know. So that's it, friends. These are the shortcut keys. So if you find this video is helpful for you, please like it and please share it to your friends so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel. Please ring the bell icon. Then only you will get the notification whenever I post the videos in the YouTube. Or otherwise, you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.